Bounce of the ball. 10 seconds, shot clock. 5 seconds, 4. Ay, wala na. Naku na mga sapa. Gab, to Teo. Uy, kondo naman. Teo, assist.
Jeff, 2 points. Yep.
Bry, sorry, Bry. Bry, ko pa na yan, Bry. My bad. Bry pa na yun. Sorry, Jeff. 2-0. Pau, middle. Steal yata? Steal nga? Hindi pa rin. Jomel. DK, rebound. Ay, update ko lang yung liga. Mamaya, sa dead ball. Jeff with a kick out pass. Bry goes baseline. 2 points by Bry.
1 dribble lang yung assist by Jeff.
Assist yun. Isang dribble lang ginawa niya. Nag-baseline siya. 27 players na ang nag-register para sa one-day league sa Saturday. 9 seconds, shot clock. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Jeff with a rebound.
Jeff,
Gap might go all the way. He will. Bigyan mo assist kay Jeff. One dribble pa rin yun, tas 2 steps. 6-0. Talagang namamayagpag ng Team Hades tonight. Pau! Counted yun. 6-2. Gab goes middle. Blocked up. Ni Mix Manuel. To Pau. Pau. Starter step. Pau. At this point, hindi na kami nagtataka.
Mahaba yung mukha?
Wait.
Depensa.
Yung bata?
Loko kayo mga hecklers dyan, ha? Marky, to Pau. 6 seconds sa shot clock. Pau will take the 3. Ay, wala. Uy, nakuha ni Tommy. Offensive. Uy, nakikita siya. Ayan na. Jeff. Short. Rebound. Nakuha ni Jeff. Jeff pa rin. Jeff, with the mura assist to Gab. 8-2. Grabe talaga itong Team Hades. Bibigay na yata natin ang kampyonato.
Sige.
8-2. Unless may masasabi raw sila Tommy. Eto na. Mag-uumpisa na ang habol. 8-5. Assist ni Manuel doon. Gab. Goes right. Up. Grabe yun. Grabe yung focus. Grabe na talaga itong trophy case. Wala nang kaibigan. Gab. Goes middle. 1-2. Walang. Rebound. Kuha ni Marky. Out there. Tommy, nauna. Tommy, wala. Hold up. Oras ay 10 minutes and 40 seconds. Ang shot clock remains 13 yan. Basta. Re-reset na yan. To Jomel. To Manuel. Back to Jomel. Back to Toby. Na-triangle open sila doon. Sayang. Rebound nakuha ni Gab. Gab with the 2-on-1. Naging 2-on-3. Bry. Badi daw. Relax.
Bigay mo na, please!
Laro! Ayun na, rebound, makakuha ni Pau. Pau pa rin. Pau, still with the ball. Pau. Wow, nabitawan yung bola. Nabitawan yung bola. Ako ni Gab. Gab. Gab goes all the way. Umreno. Bansa. By Gab Versosa. Ang ating stats leader sa buong tournament.
Right, ako na.
Oh.
Kita ka. Kita mo na, pre. Kita mo na.
10-5. Na mga Hades. Manuel, 3 points. Bang! Inalisan natin din.
Gano'n lang, spread.
The nonchalant assassin.
Baba na ba?
Oh, hindi yun. Hindi pala. Gab. Short. Gab ulit. Good. Ayun. Taking matters into his own hands. Gabriel Versosa. 12-8. Lamang pa rin ang Hades ng 4. 10 seconds sa inyong shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Naku, yun lamang. Steal by Bry. Bry, sa'yo yan, Bry. Steal and a layup. 14-8. 8 minutes and 30. Lumalayo ang Hades. Manuel to Jomel. Balik kay Manuel. To Tommy. That is a nice pass. Uy, Jomel with the offensive board. And the 2. Mga words of motivation, naririnig na natin. 8 minutes, 10 seconds sa inyo shot clock. 7, 6, 5. Deo. Wala, rebound. Makukuha ni. Gab. Gab goes baseline. 2 points. Grabe yun. Unstoppable force. 16-10. Links sa kaliwa. Libre nga ba? Short. Na good contest by BK. Rebound ni Gab to BK. BK running the floor. Reward the big man. 18-10. Oh! Aray ko po. Oh, okay. Jomel to Manuel. Manuel with the power dribble. 18-10 pa rin. Lumayo na. Lumobo ang lamang sa 8. Oy! Pau with the easy 2 points. Assist by Marky. 18-12. Tingnan natin. Israel, mga kaibigan. So far, ang lamang sa kills si Versosa. Jeff. Ooh. Assist by Gab. Jump man. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Jomel, huli sa taas. Oh, BK, rebound. Deo navigating. Nasa kay Jeff. Jeff. Yo. Kick out pass kay Bry. Nice pass, Boss Jeff. 3 points by Bry. Pawi kaya. Tommy. Oy, tumawag ng foul si Boss Tommy. Ay. Yan, kami po'y nanonood lang. Manuel, 10 seconds sa inyo sa clock. To Marky. Marky, nice pass. Oh, another pass. Oh, hindi na pinaangat. Ang ganda ng ball movement in fairness. Pau. Sizes up the 3. Oops. Nakigab ang rebound. Gab might go all the way. He will. He lefty finish. 5-2. 25-12. Tommy, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni. Sabi raw, slow down. Sabi ng mga teammate. Sabi ni Jeff, hindi. Atake ako. BK. PK, offensive rebound. Oh, tinapik na palabas. Next game. Aris and Apollo.
Kalit-lit po eh.
GG na kayo? Okay.
Stop, 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 stop. Wala. Good shot. Libre ka. Okay.
Tuloy. 4 minutes. Kami din eh. Wait pa, Battle of the Winless. Battle of the Winless yung next
Right. Tira lang, go.
13-point lead. 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Dito.
Ayan na. Gab, playing until the last buzzer. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni. Ayan sila.
Yes.
Bilis na. Yan. Grabe, ayaw paawat ng ng Hades. Talagang gusto nila talagang makamit ang kampyonato. Ayan. Free throw by Chavez. Good. 27-12. Wala tuloy assist yun kasi nag-hang siya. Marky! Oh! Ayun! The only way to say it. 27-12. Ayun na, nag-uubos na sila ng oras. Deo wants to join the party. No good. Rebound by Pau. Dahil kaya pa yan. Pukul lang. Oh, talaga. Sabi daw. Bry with the rebound. Meron pa, sir. Meron pa kami. Oh. Kaso, yung kabilang team, di na kumpleto daw. Ayan, Jeff. Wala pa rin. Jeff, offensive. Assist kay PK. 29. I think fair to say na score na talagang inaabangan dito. Ay, naku po. It's been that kind of night para sa opponent natin. Ng defending champs. It's okay. Sila. Mahirap maka back to back dito. Gab goes for the 3. Oh! Grabe, the dagger. 3 by Gab. Marky. Dug. Diba, Papi? Yan. Marky with the 2 points and offensive rebound. Hinihintay na lang natin yung final buzzer. Oh, grabe. Akala ko may tatang. Tira. Loko kayo, pag kayo na Houston Rockets, ay na San Antonio. Lima, oo. Pero mukhang hindi siyempre hindi papayag tungan. 18 point.
ISO.
They are dribbling it out. Jepoy wants to join the party. Jomel racking up the boards. 1 minute. Okay, let it build na lang. On the clock. Marky, go. Marky for 2 points. Assist by Jomel. Wala ka pa, Tres, PK. Sa PK. Assist by DJ. Oh, Deo. Grabe yun. First thing yata. Inis ka rin. Okay. I think na. Let's end this. 35-16 ang final score. Okay, ang player of the game for this game. Nag-concede. Okay lang yan.